Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find your wallet address on Temple Wallet. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, launch open Temple Wallet application from your app drawer. Log into your account like you normally do by entering your correct password. After typing in your password, tap on Unlock. Once you're logged into your account, tap on the Receive button located at the top left-hand corner, and then you will be able to see your wallet address along with your QR code. You can copy the wallet address by tapping on the copy button right under your address, and then you can now paste the wallet address to share it with others or use it to receive cryptocurrency payments. Remember to keep your wallet address secure and avoid sharing it with anyone you don't trust. So that's how easily you can find your wallet address on Temple Wallet within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.